Good evening, guys. We are back again to our latest weather analysis for this Friday through Monday, July 29 to August 1st, 2022. And this is our English version brought to you by Typhoon2000. Let's begin with our update. Here's the latest GovSat we issued this afternoon, valid until tomorrow, Saturday. The twin systems remains over the Philippine Sea and over the East China Sea. These two weather systems are continuing to enhance the southwest monsoon across various sections of the country, particularly over Central Luzon, Metro Manila, Calabarzon, Bicol region, Mimaropa, Visayas, and it's bringing some spotty rain showers and thunderstorms on and off in some areas with heavy downpour that could cause some flash floods and landslides in hazard-prone areas. So the two weather systems, first we discuss Tropical Storm Songda. This system didn't enter PAR and it tracked all the way outside of PAR in this general north-northwest and turning towards the west-northwest path, and is now passing to the north of Ryukyus, north also of Okinawa, and is expected to move across the Yellow Sea, and it's likely either it will make landfall over the Korean Peninsula or move directly towards Shanghai or just north of Shanghai in eastern China. So please take all necessary precautions. This tropical storm based on the Japan Meteorological Agency, but on the U.S. Joint Typhoon Warning Center is just a tropical depression. Now the winds based on JMA is around 65 kph, moving west to west-northwest at speed of 30 to 50 kph, so fast. And the other system, this is low pressure area 95W. Pag-asa has upgraded already into tropical depression Esther, and it's quasi-stationary around 800 kilometers to the east of Batanes. So this system is a tropical depression right now with winds of 45 kph and expected to move towards the north-northwest following the path of Songda, and it's likely to pass over Ryukyus or in the vicinity of Okinawa within the next couple of days. And it is enhancing the southwest monsoon, like I said a while ago, and the monsoon trough brings some thunderstorms across northern Luzon. So these two systems are within what we know as the monsoon gyre, okay, or gyre, and this is a rotating monsoonal system wherein two or more tropical cyclones can form in either sides of this gyre, okay? So that's the scenario of these two weather systems. So Esther is the middle one, and it's still slow development as of this time. The development of this system as of this time is so slow. That's why it's having a hard time to organize, but it may reach tropical depression status based on what we see. Actually, it's already a tropical depression in some agencies like Pag-asa and Japan Meteorological Agency. But JTWC, it's still a low pressure area with tag ID 95W. Now, outside of PAR, we don't have any developing LPA. We have only here a surface trough over the Marianas and an intertropical convergence zone across the eastern Micronesia as well towards the Marshall Islands. And so far, that's the latest from our GovSat. Here's the fast animation. You can clearly see here the large circulation of 95W, which is already a tropical depression based on Japan and Pag-asa. And southwest monsoon is still a weak one, but we consider this as a monsoon already because it's bringing heavy thunderstorms across various sections of the country. And here's the fast-moving tropical storm Songda racing to the north of Ryukyus. Here's the zoom-in satellite animation from winter.com. As you can clearly see here, monsoonal rainfall will continue across Mimaropa, Visayas, While over Mindanao, we have localized thunderstorms. Portions of the Bicol regions can also experience some thunderstorms because of the southwest monsoon, and also over Cavite, Batangas, and portions of Metro Manila, portions of Central Luzon will be expecting rain showers and thunderstorms, occasional, scattered through the next 24 hours, and likely until Monday, especially in the afternoon. So we expect this kind of weather situation. Now here's the forecast path of SONGDA based on all Asian agencies except for Pag-asa because it's outside of PAR. So most of them agree that the system, upon entering the Yellow Sea, the southern part of the Yellow Sea, it will start to recurve because of a frontal system passing to the north, and it will pull the system up with the ridge giving away for this weather system. So it will track towards the Korean peninsula. So folks down there over South Korea and North Korea must take all necessary precautions. Now here's the track of Pag-asa based on their upgraded tropical depression Esther. Right now it's about also the same kilometers as we have, 800 plus kilometers east of Batanes. Maximum winds 45, and it's likely to move out of the Philippine area of responsibility sometime Saturday afternoon or Saturday morning. So it depends on the speed, and it will pass very close to the island of Okinawa in the Ryukyus sometime in the afternoon of July 30. That will be on Saturday. So it will remain as a tropical depression based on their track and intensity forecast of Pag-asa. Here's the rain and thunderstorm forecast from the windy.com European model. For tomorrow afternoon, we expect more thunderstorms to prevail across various sections of the country. On Sunday, still same situation until Monday because of a weak Habagat or southwest monsoon and thunderstorms across Mindanao. And as we take a look at the rainfall accumulation forecast for the next 3 days, the bulk of the rainfall are concentrated across the western sections to the Bicol region, Ticao, Pulilio, Ticao, Burias, Masbate, also here over Romblon, Marinduque, Mindoro, northern Palawan, western sections of Panay, including western Negros and Guimaras included, and localized thunderstorms over Mindanao. Metro Manila will not be spurred by this rainfall generated by the weak Habagat or southwest monsoon. Now let's take a look at the pressure and wind forecast from the European model for the next 3 days until Monday. So here comes the large monsoon here comes tropical depression Esther. By tomorrow afternoon, Esther will move out of the Philippine area of responsibility and might be absorbed into the circulation of Tropical Storm SONGDA, but it's not yet sure because the American model shows the other way around, showing 95W becoming the dominant system with SONGDA weakening and absorb into the circulation, slowly absorb into the circulation of 95W, but European model is other way around. So Sunday, it's no longer affecting the Philippine Sea or the North Philippine Sea. We still have the effects of the southwest monsoon, but on the lighter side, more thunderstorms will be expected. And on Sunday afternoon, slowly but surely, the weather might improve dramatically during August 1 onwards, okay? And that's the latest on the pressure and wind forecast. And there you go, that's the recap of today's GovSat and the situation on the two tropical cyclones, tropical depression Esther, which is over to the east of Batanes, not affecting any landmass of the Philippine Islands, and also Tropical Storm SONGDA, which is to the north of Okinawa, moving towards the Yellow Sea, and these two systems will continue to enhance the southwest monsoon. And because of that, if the LPA or the tropical depression Esther eventually move out of power tomorrow, we are not going to issue any storm watches for our website as well as weather TV updates, and we will return or resume our updates on Monday. So guys, have a great weekend. Enjoy the although we have rainfall, you enjoy the weekend with your families and loved ones, and stay safe always. Thank you so much for watching.